and cool breeze in the mix. Say what? Sidewalk popping, got my sneakers doing tricks. Hey, we riding real smooth, so smooth. California grooves, West Side. BBQ's fired up, bring your crew. Retro vibes is what we do. Check it out. Putts on the track, got us feeling real good. Talkbox vibes, bring the heat to the hood. Cruising down the boulevard, cypress trees wave. West Coast flavor that'll carry you for days. Oh, the ocean breeze, it calls my name. Seagulls and the sunset in this golden frame. That's right. Late night rhythm keeps it all so tame. So chill. West Coast dreams will never be the same. Hey, we riding real smooth. You know it. California grooves. Ooh, that's right. BBQ's fired up. Bring your crew. All day. Retro vibes is what we do. Ooh, yeah. Beach bikes rolling, neon lights at the park. Rooftop chilling, blazing vibes in the dark. Sipping on that cold soda pop real slow. stand still, it's hard to move. The rhythm of life, fast and slow. Navigate the maze, let the story flow. Bare knuckle truth, raw and unrefined. Every line's a pulse from a vivid mind. Urban poets in the court of kings. Street symphonies when the corner sings. City lights shine, but they never show the truths we hide, the things we don't know. Concrete jungle beats in the air.